Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
I'm just letting it like that so you can see why I'm forced to close my blinds when it's like that, when it's the morning, the sun is coming like that. Clearly, I can't see you, I can't see the screen, and the light is really not good, so that's why I have to close my blinds. Okay. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1 episode 26. I just watched the episode 25. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. And yesterday I watched the episode 24. Again, I'm gonna put the links into the eyes. The two last episodes, they were so great. Really, I think that they are my favorite ones since the beginning. The first one, you know, the episode 24, because we discovered everything that Light planned, and that was so clever, and he won that episode for sure, the episode 24. It was so impressive, and it was such in a clever way, and it was so good, so cool, and at the same time it was also terrifying, all of what he thought about. Light was back as Kira, and Misa is back as the second Kira, and she has the Shinigami Eye, and Rem and Ryuko, they exchanged their Death Notes, and it's because of Light thinking about everything. And at the same time, we had Earl discovering about the Shinigami, about the Death Note, talking with Rem, being able to see Rem. That was an amazing episode, and the last one that I just discovered really made me almost speechless, you know, not only because of that memory that we discovered a little about Earl. I think that we didn't discover everything about it. I think that Earl is hiding things about it. What he said to Light, you know, when they were on the roof with the rain and all, talking about the bells, it was almost like he was trying to make Light remember something that they shared, you know, together before when they were kids. I don't know. You know my theory about Earl background? I said it to one of you on Patreon, and I'm glad that I have this proof, you know, that I thought about it before them sharing that memory on that episode. I had this theory about the fact that maybe Earl, he had a Bruce Wayne situation background, like maybe he's so rich, you know, he can pay all of that because his parents were rich and his parents died, and that's why he has all of this money. But the fact that no one knows his name, no one cares about him, you know, if he is that rich and all, maybe it can be because of the fact that officially he died, he killed himself, you know, officially. He can do his stuff on his own without being annoyed by people because of his money, because of responsibilities or stuff like that. And Watari could have been, you know, like Alfred for Bruce Wayne. During the last episode, I really think that Rem killed Watari, but not Earl. Maybe I'm in denial, but I really don't think so. Not only because of the story, because of the fact that we have to keep Earl, but also because Rem discovering that Light planned all of that, that he knew that she would sacrifice herself to save Misa. She called him disgusting and all. For me, Rem, she killed Watari, but not Earl. And the fact that Light didn't check the notebook just after that moment, it's making me think that maybe I'm right. I want the confirmation of the fact that Earl died. And for me, during the last episode, Earl, he knew that he could die, and because of Light. And that's why he spent all of these moments with Light and saying all of this stuff that could hide so many meanings. You know, all of what he said, like, you're gonna be lonely, almost like you're gonna be lonely when I'm gonna disappear. you're gonna be lonely also as the new god of the new world, like you want, you know, that religious symbolic moment with him washing his feet. Like truly, Earl, for me, he knew that he could die, so understanding that Watari was dying, he acted like he was dying also, because he knew that it was a possibility, but it was not happening, so he was like, okay, maybe I'm gonna fake it. I don't know, maybe I'm going too far with that theory, but I really can't think that Earl is dead. Because we need to discover more about that memory, to see it entirely, and to know more about your past, Earl, now that we know that it's something important. And also because of your connection with light, the fact that you're the mirror of each other, that you are soulmates in a way, because you understand each other so perfectly. Again, these two scenes that they had together, okay, they were interesting for the story, what they said to each other. Okay, we had some religious symbols just right there, but for also people who can ship easily, that was so romantic. In fact, you know, the two of them with the rain, and after that the two of them being like that together. A fanfic, really a fanfic. I'm excited to discover that new episode, and at the same time, you know, it's almost like at the beginning of the episode 25. I'm excited to discover what is gonna happen, but at the same time I'm afraid about it, and at the same time I'm like, I'm gonna be surprised, I'm gonna be amazed, I'm gonna be impressed, but I'm gonna be also shocked. I'm expecting a lot of emotions without expecting anything really to happen. Like, I don't know what is gonna happen, and I don't want to anticipate it because I'm almost sure that I'm gonna be wrong. But at the same time, I'm expecting a lot of things coming from it. Do you understand what I mean? We'll see. And I'm gonna see that right now. Like usually, if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier, 1 week sooner, and with an extended or full reaction part. I think that for the 2 last episodes, I'm gonna put the full reaction part. For this one, I don't know. Check the description to know that. Or wait for my review. Maybe I'm gonna tell you some my review. Patreon, it's the best way to support me, and if you can't go on my Patreon, you have YouTube for sure to support me by subscribing, liking, commenting, doing that kind of stuff. Let's go for this episode 26. Really, I'm excited about it, and at the same time I'm like, I'm gonna be shocked, I'm gonna be... It's weird. The feeling is really weird. It's Death Note. Why this flashback? I said, at some point I said it, that this first death could be the best way for them to catch light. It's all of the reasons for why you think that light is Kira, and why now? That was awful. We only have 11 episodes, you know, to finish the anime now. I'm into that position, like I'm waiting.
I'd say it's not entirely impossible that Kira can kill with only a face.
That was so cool, that moment.
That's almost exactly how Ryuzaki said it.
It's almost like you're showing us Earl's plan, Earl's mind.
In particular, hairs and fibers caught in the masking tape used to seal them. They matched what we found in Lisa's room.
I'm waiting, you know. You can't spend all of the episode doing that to me. Like at the end you have to reveal that Elle is still alive or something like that. Please.
The reason you wish to die is that there's no crudity about it.
Mm-hmm.
Kira.
Please stop, Dad! I'm not Kira!
Right, my son.
The editing of this episode is gonna be pretty easy, you know, if it's just a resume of the previous one. I'm just waiting for something new to happen. I see what you are doing, writers, but I can't see why.
As for your part in this agreement, Light, you and I need to be able to settle.
That was cool.
Their deaths have all worked in Yotsuba's favor. Looking back, there have been
You lost yourself, you know, with all of this YouTuber investigation, but he helped you to know about the Death Note, the Shinigami. Come on, we already saw all of that. You're just summarizing everything, writers. Why?
Yeah, no problem. What is it, Mr. Yagami?
You can see Ren now.
And then there's this last rule. According to this,
A fake one,
using the note
a clever one
consecutively
for
write
you,
names
Light,
of
to
people
put into it.
days of each other. The following is the record which contains everything I have investigated on the Kira incident. The fact that now you are reading this message means I am no longer alive at this moment.
I can't believe so.
That is all.
No. No. You're not dead. It can't be.
10 days since Ryozaki's funeral. Looks like we're not gonna die after all.
What?
We know Watary's true identity now, but we never found out anything about who Ryuzaki really was.
Actually, a famous inventor.
It was Alfred.
Fortunately, inherited from his patents.
He was a fine man, a hero.
But you don't know Elle's real name even now? Pretty convenient, no?
How's it going?
I should be able to transfer the system and most of the information out of here by tonight. Boys,
Maybe you never faked your death, but now you're faking it.
who's gonna take the place of Elle? Where will he
I had this theory right, but I was too quick.
Come on, what are you talking about, Mike? You're the only one who can take on the role of Elle. I don't know. Ryuzaki was killed by Kira because he challenged her. It's not something I'm eager to do.
I can understand how you feel, but you're really the only one of us who could do this.
That's right. Even Ryuzaki said so himself.
Mhm.
You would be capable of succeeding Elle. It's too simple. It's no fun without Ryuzaki here.
He told you that it was gonna be
All right, I'll do it.
lonely without him. Did you check the Death Note? Light? Like, I'm not sure that Elle's name is into it.
Petition.
In that case, I'll be able to do the same sort of work using both this computer and my own.
10 days, he checked it already.
I can be Watari as well. But it'll be difficult to pull off with Mama Sayu around. Things would be easier if I could rent a one-bedroom apartment. We'll be able to use Light's new apartment as our task force headquarters. That's a great idea.
All that's left to figure out now is what to do with the notebook.
We'll just have one of us take it and hide it somewhere where no one else can ever get to it.
Please, Chief. It's gotta be you.
Matsu.
We can count on you.
All right.
We'll avenge Ryuzaki together.
Yeah. Kira is still up there somewhere. We'll catch him.
Well then, why don't we have a little party to celebrate life becoming L number 2?
No. You miss him?
This is our first date in forever. Can't you enjoy
Oh!
yourself a little more?
Ryuki is back? With Misa? She has the Death Note now.
Do you mean it?
For real?
Yeah, I've already rented a place. Victory.
Over Leonardo Yuri. I knew you were just using those other girls to trick Elle. You don't have any reason to see them anymore, right?
No, but she has every reason to see you. You have the second Death Note, you're killing for him. He wants to have access to it.
Now that L's dead, does that mean you finally settled the score with him? Yeah. From this moment on, I'll show you the creation of the new world.
You're so far like. And that's it, you're gonna kill new people. You're killing her? No. Aiba also. No. Yeah, the family. All of the YouTuber.
This will be the rebirth of Yuzuba. Yeah, it's a new start.
No, you're gonna die.
That's impossible.
All of you.
It ain't
Light.
Like Yagami, age 23, joined Japan's National Police Agency. Numerous people around the world were terrified of Kira. And yet, there were just as many cheering him on. And soon, certain nations began to accept Kira's judgment. The world was heading into a dark age in which Kira's will was the only law.
It's a time jump? We have a big time jump right there? No. L! That's you. Your memory, but it's not a memory. What are we? I don't understand. It transmitted you all of the information
Is it Roger?
before erasing them.
It's Al. He's dead.
You know how two people. Ooh, eh? Two young people, no? That puzzle with an L like that? Why do I think that this person making that puzzle, it's L? It can't, you're... Ah, how you're sitting? Okay, you're blonde, but how is sitting? I was gonna say his hands. No, I can't recognize his hands. Oh, I don't know, I'm going too far. Right now I'm going too far, stop. The first half of the episode, you know, that resume about everything that happened, all of what Elle did, found, all of his investigation on Light, on Misa, all of what he did. We already knew all of that and I couldn't see where the writers were going with that. In fact, it was Light seeing that, seeing what Elle transmitted him, knowing that he could die. I have to be in fucking denial, really, to not believe that right there is dead. Because of the fact that for the story it's not working, if Elle is dead right now. For my weird theory that I told one of you on Patreon a long time ago, not so long ago, but that I never said on videos, but I said writing it. I'm so glad that I have the proof of it. I think that I'm gonna put it right there. The fact that I thought that maybe Elle, he had a background, like a Bruce Wayne background. He is rich because his parents were rich and they died, so now he is rich. And maybe no one is bothering him because officially he's dead or something like that. Now that right there is dead, but I think that he's not dead, I'm like, in fact, maybe my theory was too quick. Like, I was right about him being rich because of his parents being rich and they died, but maybe he's faking his death now. But in fact, he's not really dead. I think that I'm in denial a little, just a little. The fact that Watari, he sent all of these informations about his investigation and all to that guy, it was that, you know, at the end. Roger, and it's someone who knew Watari. He had a picture of Watari on his desk, and it's someone from this orphanage, you know. So that place that we saw at the beginning of the last episode, that memory with Watari and Elle, like Watari, when Elle's parents died, you took Elle to that place because you knew that person, Roger, and that's why this person knows Watari and Elle. I don't know. Really, I think that on purpose the writers are not giving me all of the information that I need to understand that. But right there, I really think that it's Elle at the end making that puzzle. I don't know why. Two persons with Roger who would know Elle and what it means for Elle to be dead. Like maybe two old friends that you had when you were into that orphanage. That puzzle with, you know, with Elle written on it. Maybe you found your nickname, you know, of Elle during the time that you were into that orphanage with that puzzle. So we had a time jump right there with Light joining the police forces and being Kira, using the Death Note that he gave to Misa to kill people to create his new world. Now they are living together, Misa and Light, and that's why he can use her Death Note so easily. The other Death Note was given to the chief, he's hiding it. During these 10 days, Light he had the time to check that Death Note and to see that Earl's name was written into it. But at the same time, the police guys, you know, they are saying we made this funeral and no one knows Earl's name still now. You should know it if you checked the Death Note. No? I'm lost. I really don't think that Earl is dead. I can't. What are we for sure is dead and it's sad. But Earl? No. We need to know your name. And we can't know your name because it's not written on the notebook. The fact that no one checked that, it's not logical. Oh, Light, how he was right there on the roof with Ryuko. You're God. You're the new God of this new world. You know, I appreciate the writers for showing that a lot of persons are afraid of it, but also a lot of persons are agreeing with what Kira is doing. Because I know that a lot of persons think like that, you know, that it's okay to kill people who did bad things. You know me, you know that I don't approve that, you know that I believe in second chance, I believe in redemption, so I can't agree with killing people who did bad things. Like, they can change, they can evolve, they can have regrets, they can have a second chance. In addition of that, I can't accept for someone to decide who is gonna die, who is gonna live, according only to his decisions, you know, his opinion. Like, no, not at all. I'm saying that because I can see you on the comments, you know, being on Light's side, being like, yes, I'm Team Light, Light, come on, you are my God, and stuff like that. I see you, guys. I don't agree. I can see that he's clever, he's impressing me a lot of time, but he's terrifying me also, and I want Earl to win, which is really bad because for now Earl is dead. Officially he is dead. Because I really don't think that he can be dead for real, for sure. I really have to follow now my Bruce Wayne theory. Before today, you know, before these 2 episodes, it was really just me having that dream, that fantasy about it, and I'm so glad that I told one of you about it. Now, you can't say that I'm lying or stuff like that, that I'm saying that right now, but in fact I never thought of it. Yes, I thought of it. I was wrong about it, about how it was, you know, how to put it and all, but now I have to believe into it, you know, if I want to keep up for that world. Ooh, I didn't put any backup. I really hope that this is working, you know, and that the sound is good right now. I really have to hope so. I'm not gonna put the 4-action part for this episode. Okay, so that's it. It's all for you and for me for today, and now I'm gonna spend days wishing that Earl is not dead, that I'm right to have hope, and that it's the only hope, in fact, that I can have for this world to survive. Because right now, really, it's that with Light on the command of it. It's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Crazy.